So I hope y'all were able to fill out the Google Sheet. I'm sorry, the Google form. Hope you were able to fill out the Google form and you submitted it. And now you have set your goals for both your spring math and your spring reading map scores. I can't wait to see them. We'll share those with your teachers and we're going to work on those throughout the rest of this year. Now, what I said earlier was I had mentioned that one of the ways that you can do better is by us showing you some specific examples of practice. And so, what we're going to do now is log on to a new program that we have. And this new program is going to really provide you an opportunity to be able to learn more, to find where you might be struggling, and then take some quizzes, and then ultimately get more knowledge. That sounds exciting, right? Well, we figured that, yeah, that sounds exciting for some of us, but for some of you, that's really not all that exciting. So we also have some incentives. So let me tell you the fun part first, and then we're going to go through the actual program itself, which is not terrible. It's a pretty fun program, too. And then what we're going to do is once we go through that program, you're going to see how you can start competing right away. So starting today, every advisory class is going to be part of a competition. Okay. So I know that right now you're sitting in some advisories that aren't necessarily your normal class, and that's okay. So once you guys get back to those normal advisory classes, the competition really heats up. Number one, advisory teachers. We know you guys have so much to do. So, one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to have an advisory teacher leaderboard. So, teachers, the more your students get on this platform, the more trophies they earn, and the more hours they log, you get to increase on the leaderboard. Our top 6 advisory teachers get a 2-hour lunch, chaperoned by the administrative team. You go out, have a great lunch, go grade papers, go take a nap. We'll watch the students. We'll teach them all kinds of great stuff, and you get a little chance to relax. So, students, peace with you. So, with you, what we're going to start off first is the number of minutes on this platform. What I want you to do is get on it, start playing with it, and really start getting interested in what you can learn. As you start the process, you begin to earn trophies. Now, these trophies are not the highest scoring people, it's the most growth you make. So it doesn't matter where you start, I just need you to get better. And that's what we did whenever we set those goals. You all started in different places, but what I want you to do in the end is to just end up better than where you were. Alrighty? So we're going to measure you on how many trophies you get. All the teachers have a portal that they're going to be able to see in this platform called ExactPath. And in this portal, you guys can earn trophies during advisory. You can do it during flex time. You can do it at home. There's lots of different times that you're going to be able to work on this. So, what we're going to do each week, we're going to draw from our highest scoring, highest trophy earners in each of the ninth and 10th grade. You guys are going to get some gift cards. I've got some other prizes for you. And then we're going to have a big celebration and a big competition between grade levels. And ultimately, kind of the big thing in the spring is when you take that spring map score, what we want to see is high growth in math and English. If you earn high growth in reading and in math, you're going to go with us on a field trip. You're going to miss the whole day of school. You're going to hang out with us and do fun things away from school as a huge thank you and a big congratulations for your hard work. It all starts today, so get ready. We think it's going to be kind of a fun experience. Teachers, I'm going to send you a whole lot more about this, but we wanted to get this rolling today. So, y'all, obviously, the big question is how do you get on it and how do we start? I've got an answer. So make sure you've got those Chromebooks open, alrighty? And follow me. Do you see my arrow over here where I see district links? Will you click on that? Scroll down to Clever. You guys may have other ways of getting in there, but if you'll click on Clever, that's going to open up how we're going to get there. And I'm going to now switch my screen to a different student.